Oh no.
Oh, because we have a lot of classes today. I'm happy about that. But I thought you're also on the buff event.
Uh,
Okay. Do you know the buff event?
yes, I joined in buff event, but not buff event level 2.
Ah, level 1 is MSET.
Yes, I do level 1.
When will you do level 2?
I will go January 1.
Yeah, December is not a good month to do the buff
Yes.
event. Yeah, so many no class days where we have no classes start on January. What's your MSET level?
My MC level is 4.
Good. And you're going to be an 8 after level 4. What's your goal?
Mm, I don't know.
Okay. What level do you like?
Oh, I think 4 is the. I think I love 4.
4 is okay, that's true. But I think to finish the buff event, you need to be a 5, right?
Yeah.
One higher. Easy for you. Okay. Good luck at advance. And what page number do we study?
Oh, we will go vocabulary.
After our last class, this is your next class.
Yes.
Ha, that's why. Okay. Let's do this. Number 1.
Water vapor is a process wherein water moves between the air and Earth's surface.
Hmm.
Ah, water that goes up into the air.
Yes. A water vapor is not a process. A water vapor is hot coffee, boiling, steam. That's the water vapor. Number
Okay.
2.
Water cycle is uh, the process wherein water moves between the air and Earth's surface.
Very good. Next. Okay.
The sun affects our weather by making wind, clouds, rain, and snow.
Okay. Next.
When water vapor cools, it turns into uh, both A and B.
Very good. 5.
When water and ice get too big and heavy, they fall to earth as rain or snow.
Very good. Okay. Right. A little slow. And it's mini quiz. Okay, you're gonna answer. Yeah, please read this part first.
Answer yes if the statement is correct. Answer no if it is not.
Mm-mm.
The sun gives light at night.
Mm-mm.
No.
Not in our part. In other countries, yes.
Yeah.
But in our area, no. Next.
Uh, water droplets fall.
Droplet. Droplets.
Droplets
Yeah.
on earth as wind. No.
No. Next.
Water vapor turns to ice or water. Yes.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Plants grow with the help of sunlight.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Next.
We are alive because of the sun. Yes.
Okay, very good. Next. Food for thought. Let's make it load. Please read this and answer.
What is the importance of the sun for people? What are the benefits that people can get from the sun? Um,
You told me this.
People can alive because of the sun
Yeah. Yeah?
because sun make to us a food and sun give to us the light and we can sell something and the sun is here so we can grow some plants and we can boil something
Yes. What
like
happens if the sun is too much, if it's too hot, or if
uh,
sunny days are too long?
maybe the plants will die
Hmm. Why?
and because there is no water and the because of the sun it will be dry.
Is sun dangerous to humans, to people?
Yes.
How?
And uh, people because of the sun people uh, can live on the ground because the ground is so hot so we can on the ground and there's only sun so we can sleep in the night.
Yes, yes, good. And it's so painful on our skin. It
Yeah.
can make our skin sick also if the sun is too much. Do you want to do drawing homework or no more?
Oh, I don't want to do it.
Yeah, I don't. I want you to talk, not draw. What is this? See that picture? What do you call that?
uh uh I know it but I can't expressing for English.
It's called a wind vane.
Wind vane.
What is W?
West.
What is N?
North.
What is E?
uh,
E.
I don't know it.
East. East.
East.
This is an S. What is S?
South.
Very good. South Korea. Seoul. Okay. Let's talk about this part. Please read.
We have different tools to measure the weather. These tools help us know what the weather is like today and in the next days. What are the tools used to measure weather? The thermometer, thermometer,
Thermometer. Say it again.
thermo,
Thermometer.
thermometer measures the
Mm-mm.
temperature. It tells how warm or how cold the air or water is.
Mm-mm.
A wind vane is a tool which shows the direction where the wind is blowing. The
Mm-mm.
anemometer measures
Ah, ha,
how
ha, 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 sorry, sorry. Anemometer.
anemometer
Ah, ha, ha,
measures
ha, wait. Anemometer.
uh,
Mometer.
anemometer
You remove the
measures
S. This is important. Anemometer.
anemometer
Very good. Continue.
an anemometer measures how fast the wind is
Blowing.
blowing.
Okay. Have you? Do you have this in your house?
Yes, I have it.
Where do you have this? In the kitchen or on the wall?
Uh, it is in my the closet.
Closet. I don't have this at home. I have this in my car. I have this on my smartphone. It
Uh,
tells me the degrees in Celsius, but I don't have this. Why is this important?
we can know the temperature, and the outside temperature is what is this, and we can know
Why do you need to know the temperature outside?
it. Because it is cold, we have to wear the thick clothes, but the the outside is so we have to like t-shirts, short
Yes,
t-shirts.
that's right. Why is a wind vane important?
Uh, we can know the direction that wind blow.
Very good. How about a anemometer? Why is this important?
We can know the fast the wind is blowing.
Okay. It's important to know how fast the wind is blowing because if it's very fast, there's a typhoon, there's a storm. And if there's a storm, we know we should not go out and we should protect our windows because the wind is blowing so strongly. Okay, let's talk about this. Hold on. Go on.
A rain gauge, ga-
Gauge.
uh,
Rain gauge.
a rain gauge collects rain. It measures how much rain has fallen in a specific period of time.
Mm-mm.
A person who studies and measures the weather is called a meteor, meteorological
Yeah, almost
logist.
there. Wait. Meteorologist. Meteorologist.
Meteorologist.
Okay, continue.
He uses different tools to measure the weather. Then he used the information he collects to make weather report.
Mm-mm.
We can read weather reports in the newspaper on the computer. We can also watch them on the news on television.
Okay, pronounce this. How do you read this?
A rain gauge.
Very good. This one.
Meteorological. Logist.
Ahaha. Yeah, two ways to pronounce this. Meteorologist. Second, meteorologist. Okay?
Meteorologist.
Yes. Not meteorological, just and
Yeah.
with the IST, because we're talking about the person. Okay. What is the purpose of a rain gauge?
Rain gauge collect rain.
Okay. What we need here is the measurement, how high or how much rain is falling at a specific time. Like 5 seconds. How fast can the water fill this up? I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the water is up to here, that's still okay. But in 5 seconds, if the water is already here, that's dangerous. It means flooding can happen. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. What is a meteorologist?
It is explain the weather, the day's weather.
A
Weather.
meteorologist uses the wind vane, uses the rain gauge, uses the anemometer, and they will tell everybody on cacao, hey, there's a storm tomorrow, be careful. That's their job. It's the scientist who studies weather and temperature. They're the ones who are experts on that field. Okay. Do you read weather reports?
I don't want to read weather report, but
Me too. Mhm.
sometimes
Mhm.
I read weather report when the storms come to our
Yeah.
country.
I just look out the window. That's my weather report. I would look out, oh, it's dark, maybe it will rain. I can guess the weather. In my country, sometimes the weather reports, they're wrong. It's people don't believe the weather report
Our
anymore.
country is too.
Because it's hard. What the meteorologists are doing is hard, and weather changes so quickly. Okay, guide question number one.
Why is it important to measure the weather?
Hmm.
We can know when the storms come or the outside is weather.
How is weather report important for farmers?
Uh, when the storms coming, the farmer will the animal in the farm, and
Okay.
when the sunny days, they will go outside the animal.
They would bring the animals outside. They will
Um,
bring, not they will go the animals outside. They will bring the animals outside.
okay.
Okay. Number two.
What is the importance of weather tools is predicting the weather? Mm, because weather tools when the weather tools predicting weather, we can know the weather in our day.
That's right. Um, I predict the weather. That's my window. Okay? So I'm at home. That's my window. That's how I predict the weather. I look out and I will say, oh, it's going to rain. But I can be wrong because I don't know if it's going to rain or not. The meteorologist needs the weather tools so they will know for sure. They would be able to guess the weather better compared to me with no tools. My tool is just eyes and window and guess. But for the meteorologist, they can measure and they would be able to give better predictions than me. Number three.
Why should we watch or read about weather reports? Uh, because we have to know outside weather.
Why do you need to know if it's going to snow tomorrow or not? How will you prepare for it?
Maybe the snow will come. Uh, I will wear my gloves to
Yeah.
make a snowman or do snow
And
fly.
call your sister.
Yeah.
Call your sister, say, Sister, let's make a snowman. And when she's not looking, you will throw snow at her. I'll go now. Thank you for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.